Show is just about to start. This is the red carpet event of the season, and the guest list is a veritable who's who of the global fashion elite. You will find Viktor Novikov basking in the spotlight, while Dalia Margolis hosts the heavily guarded auction on the second floor for a group of Iago's top customers. Now, event security will keep a watchful eye on any suspicious activity.
Ja, wird sicher
But I trust
passen.
your timeless look shall fit right in. Good luck, 47.
Make it big, bold, and impossible to ignore. And with newly appointed head designer Sebastian Sato at the helm, tonight's show should prove no exception.
Ah, shit. One more time.
Damn it! Cecile, I'm standing outside Palais de Vilevska, hosting the
Damn
Sydney
it.
Fall Fashion Show. This impressive structure is a perfect metaphor for family owner Viktor Novikov's business philosophy, making it big, bold, and impossible to ignore.
Schon noch recht imposant, das Gebäude. Penguin Eye.
Step right in, sir. Enjoy your evening.
Thanks, sir.
That is Viktor Novikov, head of Sanguine and ringleader of Iago. Quite the resume.
Congressman Walsh. A pleasure as always. Make sure to join Dahlia and I for a drink later. There's someone we would like you to meet. Now.
Nice talk, sir.
He's what? If you'll excuse me, Congressman. Urgent matter. Do enjoy your evening.
Okay.
Goddamn artists. What the hell is he up to now?
No problem.
Man, I wish I had that jaw.
Stop, you look fine.
I know I look fine, but he's like a Greek god or something.
Nee, ich will aber
Nice
12.
ducks and all, but
Tight security means I'm
you
not
all
letting
know
you.
how much you love the spotlight.
Sorry, sir, we're upping
don't
our
be an
security
asshole,
measures, so you
Sebastian.
can't come through
Whether
here.
you like it or not,
Please,
you
go
are
back the
star
other way.
of the show,
Yeah,
and you
I saw
will
you
act the part.
Oh, no, no. I am not going up there. This line is a travesty. You made me into a sellout, Victor. I can't face this. And you can't make me. How about that? Huh?
The hell I can't. One simple phone call, remember.
No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't dare. Because you need me. Me. My name on the bill. I'm no good to you, discredited. Oh, no. Oh, my God. No,
Nice try, Sebastian. Very clever. But I don't do compromises. Now get on that stage, or so help me God, I will ruin you.
Okay. Da hat der Chef gesprochen.
She comes in and she smells, she has terrible breath. It's like she ate a shit sandwich. Worst of all, she's wearing buffalo boots. I mean, buffalo boots? How 90s is that? She probably has a crack problem too, 90s. Unbelievable. Do some math, get with it. Okay, I have to go. I have to go.
Hey, mister.
Oh, this is not what I had in mind for this. Why is this happening? Help over here!
Oh, thank God I found you. I need some help here.
Smell it. We need to secure this area. I need you to get as far away as possible. This is for your own safety. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Das war jetzt nicht so gut, ne? Können wir ja gleich wieder. Hoffe mal. Wieder allzu lange laden.
Welcome to Paris, 47. The show is just about to start. This is the red carpet event of the season, and the guest list is a veritable who's who of the global fashion elite. You will find Victor Novikov basking in the spotlight, while Dalia Margolis hosts the heavily guarded auction on the second floor for a group of Iago's top customers. Now, event security will keep a watchful eye on any suspicious activity, but I trust your timeless look shall fit right in. Good luck, 47.
Thank you. So, okay, jetzt machen wir gleich mal hin. Ach, Platz. Ich muss hier durch.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Sanguine.
Ja, da ist Viktor Novikov. Bla bla bla.
Party at Chico's Hotel?
Security is set up. Do you have an invitation, sir?
Oh, okay. That's okay.
Nö, habe ich nicht.
Sir, I don't recognize you, so you can't come through here. Sorry.
Okay.
According to the pyrotechnician's schedule, Novikov plans a grand fireworks display at the end of the Sanguine show. Not a bad distraction. The fireworks are located on a barge in the Seine. However, first you need to find the detonation remote.
Ja, soll ich das machen? Das Event-Techniker? Nee, komm.
What the hell are you doing?
Oh, man. This is bad. Hey, you're under arrest.
Yeah,
Stand still.
Look at him. So pansy-like now. Move up, he's engaged. Yeah.
Oh Mann. Nee, kann ich gleich nochmal. Ach. Ach komm, wisst ihr was? Eigentlich habe ich gar